Hey, it's Keith here, KJ's Garage. I'm working on the minivan. What I'm doing is I'm replacing the door cable on here, and I've already done this before. But the cable broke again, and I went back and watched my videos, and I said, if this ever happens again, if I have to replace this, and I said, hopefully I don't, would replace this bracket right here. So I'm going to show just replacing the bracket, because in that video I didn't replace the bracket. So I bought the bracket right here. I don't know why it's getting stuck so bad. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It goes in this slot right here, right? Goes back and forth. They have, when I was looking to buy this, they have other ones that have this piece here. There's a bracket here that goes on the door. I noticed this piece is loose. This isn't pounded in. So I thought that was weird, and I was missing this. They have ones that have this piece. If I was going to do it again, hopefully never again, I would have bought that. But you can see it's right here. 2 12s. You take that off, and then I'm going to have to bang this pin, do something here with that pin, get that out, and just replace this bracket and use the same door bracket, which is, I don't think is a big deal, as long as the door bracket isn't worn out. So I'm going to take it off. It's just a 12. Now you see I have it supported with this jack. I should be able to just do this. And over the other one. Two bolts. Okay. And then I gotta figure out what to do with this. So these are just loose. This is not hooked up in here. You can see it's all taken apart, and I can show you what happened. It chewed the heck up out of this pulley here. So I ordered a new pulley. Here's a new pulley. So they look the same. I mean, very, very similar. The only thing different I noticed was this here. This is small. This is a little bit bigger. Pulleys are the same size. Same size pulleys. Same amount of ribs and all that kind of stuff. That's the only thing I noticed that was different. There and there. Probably not going to make a big deal, because what happens is this here, this is the cable, went in here like this. This one here, oh, actually that's easier. This is a tighter tolerance. The only problem I could see is, since this is wider, this might come out. I hope not. I hope once it's in there and it's around, it's going to be tight enough where it won't pop out. We're going to find out. But anyway, that's the new pulley. When you saw when I have another video, I'll link it, how to do all this pulley stuff. So I'm not going to show that. I'm just showing this bracket here. Okay, so I did this. Bolts are out. You should be able to just pull this way. It's a little difficult because I'm pulling the other cable all the way over. Alright, and then these just pull out like that. They go in there and pull right out. So now to figure out this piece here. Okay, so this, okay. So that's like this. They have the pin on the bottom. They have the pin on the top here. Probably doesn't matter. Anyway, let's get this off. I'll run into trouble, I'll come back. Okay, so I got the little clamp out, little C-clamp, whatever you call it. And then I put in the vise here, it's a camera, boom, just tapped it. Got it loose. And now I'm using pliers. And just, okay. I thought it would just come out. There we go. Watch, ready, there. And there's the pin. Okay. So now, screwdriver out. Take the old bracket off here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's just a piece of metal. Here's the old one. I got the pin off there too. So there's a washer. I think. No, that's not a washer. That's actually bushing. All right, let's pull this out. Bushing's supposed to stay in there. Okay. Bushing back in. Okay. Now, take this deal. Like this. I'm going to put this on the bottom. I'm going to do it like the other one was. 1 second. Okay. Bottom. Okay. And now, let's make sure. So that one like that. This is going to hit. Okay. It just keeps tension on it. All right, now, take this hammer. Just tap right here. Okay, whole thing's moving. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. What I did was turned it upside down. That's what I did. I was having a hard time hammering it like this from the bottom, so I just flipped it over. So now you have the, gotta put this little thing on here. So actually it looks like an E clamp with some pliers. And there you go. Now your hinge. You got the new hinge on the old bracket. And this is just like it was from the factory. So now I just take this. Oh, I gotta put the cables in it. I don't know where the other cable went, but that's basically it. The cable went way over there. So cable. Come on. Okay. Cable goes in like that. This cable. I don't know if I'm recording this. There we go. Cable goes like that. Now you have two cables in. This up here. I'm going to go on the inside and tighten up the slack by just pulling these guys. And where's the other one? Here. Okay. Ah. There we go. Okay. Let me pull this slack out. This slack. All right. We get our two bolts. Goes there. there. I don't know where the door. Lift it up a little bit, maybe? I don't know. Let me just tighten these up. Let go of the door. Now let's see. Pull this one, should close it. I'll make sure it's in the groove. It likes to get out of this groove right here. It's in the groove. See the groove right there? Right here. Okay, let's pull it. Let's watch the door close. So, it doesn't seem like it closed too well. So it probably needs adjustment. Yeah, definitely not the right adjustment. It's banging over there. Anyway, what I'm going to try to do is get right here and get these lined up how maybe they were before, by where the washers, you know, the indentation on the metal and the washers. We'll see if that works. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to show replacing that that hinge, because I didn't do it before, so now I did. And hopefully, if you working on these vents, just replace that hinge. I wish I would have done it last time. I didn't, and then so this time I am. Alrighty, you'll see me in the next video. Thanks a lot. I'll probably be working. I got some stuff to do on the Yukon over here, so you'll see more videos of that. Alrighty, see me later. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Goodbye.